Hey guys, how's it going? Chad with you here. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel. So we're going to be coming up here on a series of videos. We're going to take my TBS Source 1 with the Flight 1 stack. We're going to flash Betaflight 4.0 on it. We're going to tune it all up, get it flying really good. Then we're going to flip everything upside down and we're going to throw that RPM notch firmware and filter on there, and we're going to see what we can do. So I have a little clip here, a little teaser of a couple of my comparison flights from today. So the first one will just be I'll show some stuff going. This is pre-notch filter. So this is the regular dynamic, tuned, PIDs tuned, everything flying about as good as I can get it. And then the second part of the clip is going to be this evening after I played around with some of the basic settings and the RPM notch, getting that all enabled and up and working and doing a little bit more tuning on it. I am pretty impressed and pretty happy so far. If I sent some logs out to UAV Tech and I've kind of looked at the plasma trees myself, but you know, it's kind of like rocket science. I really just can't read that stuff very well. So hopefully he can provide me some feedback and then I can relay that on to you guys. But in the meantime, check out these clips. The next couple videos we'll go through the whole setup process. If you want to flash your revolt with Betaflight, CROSSFIRE, there's a couple little things that you have to do. Super easy. I totally recommend Flight 1 hardware, even if you don't want to fly Flight 1, which I didn't do this because I disliked Flight 1. I really just did this because this is awesome hardware and this is what I wanted to put Betaflight on right now after I've been playing with Flight 1 for a few weeks. I'll have some videos on that too, but you know, we're gonna definitely be doing more with that. But if you're gonna buy some boards or some ESCs, spend the extra money, get the Flight 1 stuff. Got a replacement plan, all kinds of good stuff. It's just super nice quality, chunky electronics, great stuff. So anyway, let's take a look at the clips, and we'll see you guys later.